Hello guys, and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. So in this video I'm going to be showing you where you can get your Waec key points, okay, for physics, chemistry, biology, government, literature, name it, okay. And you can come on the DTW Tutorials website. When you come to this is the site, dtwtutorials.com. You can come here, come to tutorials, and you see the subjects that we have here. When you click on any of it, okay, it will take you to its own page, like physics, for example, and you can come into each of the subjects and read on it. Okay, it covers the Waec syllabus, and these are key points. All right, so it is just, the summarized, like, notes that you can use to read before your exam. It's all here for free. Okay, on our website is all here for free. You can go into each of the subjects and read. All right, but if you don't want to start going into each of the subjects to read, all you need to do is come to our store. It is the dtwedustore.com. Come here to textbooks and materials. All right, and come down. You can just select academic books, or let's just go down and you see all the ebooks. It is just 500 naira. 500 naira, and you get the PDF copy instantly on your phone. Can you see physics? Can you see biology? Okay, can you see literature, government, CRS? Okay, so come here and get it. Chemistry is also here. When you click on academic book, you see everything on the academic ebooks. Okay, so come here and get it at 500 naira. You have all the PDF copy on your phone that you can use to study. And I know you'll be wondering, okay, you just want to sell this. Let me show you a testimony quickly. This is a student that took JAMB. Okay, I'm not saying that you should not read your book. Oh. Look at what she says. Say, good morning, ma. Thanks for all the encouragement and advices. And the last minute help from the key points. I hardly read up to like 6 topics in my chemistry. If not for the key points, which I read all, except she didn't buy the physics. Okay, and I scored 257 with 72 in my chemistry. Someone that just read only 6 topics, just pick up only key points. I'm not saying you should be that kind of student, but I'm just telling you how robust our key points are. You can use it. Thanks, ma. And she said she wants to go for nursing. Okay, so this is not fluke. It pays, and it's just 500 naira for now. Okay, so if you don't know how to order online, just WhatsApp me, okay? WhatsApp me. On the site, you're going to see the WhatsApp button. When you click on this, WhatsApp me and I'll direct you on how to order online. That's if you don't want to, but it's very easy. When you click buy now, the process is seamless, okay? And it is dtwedustore.com. That's where you go. All right, so go get your key points and study and prep. By next week, you're going to be having your physics, your chemistry, your major topics, your literature, your CRS in your Waec 2025 examination. All right, and tomorrow is your practical, your biology practicals. I have sent the complete video. Okay, it's on our YouTube channel. TikTok can't take large videos. There are 3 video series for your practicals that our teachers have explained. Please go there and watch and subscribe. Okay, also join our WhatsApp channel. Physics videos are coming on. That's your physics practical and chemistry practicals. They are going to be explained by our teachers, and I'm giving this out freely. Okay, so make sure you're on the WhatsApp channel so you see those videos when I drop them there. Okay, so so that's it. So all this would help you for your Waec. I tell you, please, I always tell students, make sure you read and gather enough marks for your Waec, because it's going to help you in your admission processing. When you add that with your JAMB score, it will help you. So gather all the A's, gather all the B's that you have, all right? And it's going to help you in gaining admission into university. All right, so thank you everyone. Please do share this video to help someone. Share, and give this video a thumbs up. Follow us, subscribe, okay, to our channel, TikTok or YouTube, and please do share this video to help someone. Thank you. Don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for he's the way, he's the truth, and he is the life. Okay, see you soon, and don't forget, okay, that you are destined to win. You are destined to succeed in this current Waec 2025 examination. All right, thank you, and see you in our next video.